We are heading out on a walk of wonder and contemplation to the Cathedral Caves, which hide away on New Zealand's southern coast in the Catlins. They are reported to be one of the world's largest sea cave complexes. Good morning, this is Dudley Moore from Remote Places, New Zealand. We have a treat for you today. These special caves have restrictive access through private land, and the gates are only open when the sea tides and conditions make a visit inside them safe and possible. So check their website for opening time on cathedralcaves.co.nz. Turning off the southern scenic route, we go through the gate, driving through native bush to the car park. Here we follow a 1 kilometre walking track descending through lush coastal forest to the beach. Maintaining the unique wildlife and environment of this area so that people can continue to enjoy is incredibly important, and one thing that we are all responsible to helping maintain. So please take any litter back out with you. As they say, leave only footsteps. Pristine is the right description for this experience, especially if you are lucky to be first on the beach. It is like stepping into a new creation. Everything looks natural, and indeed it is. You arrive at the cave entrances after an easy 20-minute stroll through the coastal forest and along the Waipati beach. Now the pictures can do the talking. Out well. While here, I lost my drone. If that interests you, I will post another longer version of this video with "Honey, I killed the drone" details. We trust you've enjoyed this stroll with Remote Places New Zealand and that it encourages you to get out and enjoy this wonderful creation we live in. Please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you, Dudley Moore.